Hi everyone, welcome to PrepFusion. So we are going to discuss two things in this video. So let's discuss the first one. So like you would be having this doubt that sir, how much marks is a good score in a test series? Like how would we know that whether we are getting a good score or we are not getting a good score? So for that you should always look at the marks of that 10th rank guy. Like if you write down a test series, then you would see the results, right? And then you would see the rank as well. So there would be 10th rank guy. You can see the marks of that guy as well. That how much marks that 10th rank guy is scoring. So based on that, you can analyze your marks. Let's just say 10th rank guy is scoring 75 marks and you are getting 30 marks. That means your score is not that good. But let's just say 10th guy marks is just 50 marks and you are scoring 35. That means you are doing pretty good because the level of test series is tough. You cannot analyze your performance by looking at rank 1 marks because it might happen that rank 1 marks is fake. Mostly what happens is that some people cheat and then they get some marks. So mostly rank 1 marks are fake, or it could be some extraordinary person as well. So we cannot we cannot get to know about our performances by looking at AIR 1 marks or rank 1 marks, but rank 10 marks is the base that we can set up. So if he is getting like higher marks, that means the test series was easy. So you should have also got higher marks. And if he is getting lower marks, that means the test series was tough, and accordingly you can adjust your marks. So this is the first query. Now the second query is that like sir, we have studied everything, we have done enough PYQs as well, but still we are not scoring in the test series. So now I'm gonna say some harsh thing which you need to accept. So if you are not scoring well in your test series, then no matter how much have you studied, no matter from wherever you have prepared, you haven't prepared enough. Okay, that you need to accept. Like let's just say you say that sir, I have studied everything, but when I wrote down my full length test series, I got 25 marks. So that means that preparation is not enough. You need to prepare more. And believe me, you are having some time. For electrical, you are having roughly around 30 days, and EC guys are having roughly around 45 days. So believe me, you have the time. Now I will tell you how to improve that. So do you require any method for that? No, there is no method of attending test series. This video I have already made. So how will you improve your marks now? So first thing is that forget about full length test series. I don't know why people are running behind full length test series just now only. No, like if electrical student is writing full length test, then it is acceptable because there are 30 days left. But this is the best case that you can start your test series now. This is the best case, and the worst case could be from 15th Jan. From 15th Jan, electrical student can start their test series. That is the worst case, and EC student can start their test series from 25th Jan. So you guys are having enough time for writing full length test. You do not need to write more than 7 to 8 full length test. Okay, I would personally say, like, I started my preparation. My preparation journey was like for a very longer time because I started my preparation early. So because of that, I was confident with my subject. So I wrote down around 15 to 16 full length test, and that was too much. Are you getting this point? So you don't need to write that much full length test. Maximum you need to write 7 to 8, and that would be more than enough. More than enough to analyze your performance and to do well in your final examination. So don't run behind writing full length test as of now. You need to improve your subjects. Improve in subject wise test. Just as you start improving in your subject wise tests, certainly your performance in full length test will improve. So let's just say, and every student knows that what is my weak subject. Now, for say, let's just say you are weak in digital electronics. So you might have, I am taking my example, you have studied digital electronics from PrepFusion from me. Now you are not scoring well in your digital electronics test. You are not able to solve enough PYQs as well. Let's just say you have solved the PYQs, but you are not scoring well in the test series, and neither you are able to understand the concept. So now what you are going to do? Now there are other playlists available on YouTube, no? Like there are some question series available. There would be some other playlist or some other educator is also available. Or you can just randomly tag the topic as well. Still there would be some videos, right? So what I used to do is that, let's just say I have studied from teacher X, or I have studied from teacher Himanshu Agrawal. Okay, I was comfortable with his teaching. I was very happy with his teaching, but still I am not scoring marks. So what I can do is that I can go to some other teacher. Like his playlist will be available on YouTube. He might have taken some question series. He might have taken some crash course. So quickly I can watch that course. I don't need to spend too much time there. Like I will not be sitting that, okay, he is teaching 1, 2, 3, 4. Not like that. I will quickly see the content, and then I will try to solve as much problem as I can from his videos, because there he will be solving some problems. No, every teacher, every good teacher would take up as much problems as he can. So just watch his videos and solve the problems. I am not asking you to buy any subscription or anything like that. till this time you need to utilize your YouTube subscription, or I should say your YouTube, in a very efficient manner. What you are going to do is that you will just go to a random playlist, or playlist which is known to you. Like there are famous educators, you can go to any playlist, you can follow our courses as well, that is available on YouTube. So if you have studied from somewhere else already, why I should say somewhere else, you might be happy with his teaching, but still if you are not able to score well, then you need to improve it. And how would you improve it? By looking at other resources. Solve questions from there, try to learn new things. If you are learning something new, then write it down, try to learn it, and then try to solve more problems. In that manner, you improve your subject, and then write down subject-wise test series. Then certainly you will improve there. And if you have improved there, then in that manner only you improve your other subject-wise test. You improve your other subject, and in that manner you will improve your subject-wise performance as well. And then you write down the full length test. Why are you running behind full length test as of now? It is not necessary that you need to write down full length test right now only. I will tell you about myself. My examination was on in 2022. It was on, I don't remember the exact date, but it was roughly around 5th to 6th Feb only. It was on 5th Feb or 6th Feb. And I started writing my full length test on 1st Jan. On 1st Jan, on New Year, I wrote down my first full length test. And that was the best case as per me. Best case. That was the best case for writing the full length test. I completed my syllabus long back. Still, I wrote down my first full length test on 1st Jan. Are you getting this point? What I mean to say here? So you can also do the same. Like, you don't need to run behind writing full length test as of now. The worst case could be for electrical student, I am saying it could be 15th Jan, and for EC student it would be 25th Jan. This is the worst case I am saying, and best case for electrical student is 1st of Jan, and best case for EC student is 10th of Jan. Before that, you don't need to write full length test. You need to improve your subject wise test. You need to write down topic wise test, subject wise test, solve questions. If you are getting some FYQ series, we are running FYQ series, so go there and see the level of questions, and there we are giving the concepts as well. So if you solve these kind of problems, your concept will certainly build up. Don't run just like solving PYQs are good, and those who are running this on YouTube, they are certainly very, very good educators. They are excellent educators, because it takes a lot of effort to bring anything on YouTube, and I appreciate that. But as a student, so only solving PYQs will not help you. This is the reality, and I hope those educators who are bringing it, they also know it. Like, I have full respect for them. I am just telling you that only solving PYQs will not help. You need to solve other conceptual questions as well. If you feel like that, sir, I am able to solve PYQs and I am not getting marks in the test series, then it's not sure that you will be getting marks in the final examination. What people think is that, sir, we have solved PYQs, that means we are able to solve gate problems, so certainly we will get more marks in the examination. Why should we need to worry about test series score? No, you need to worry about test series score. Okay, you are able to solve PYQs because you already know the concept. You just already know how to solve those particular problems. If you are not able to solve questions in test series, that means you are not able to solve new questions. Like, those questions will also be based on the concept only that you have learned, but you are not able to solve new questions. You are again and again solving PYQs, and your brain is not working when you see a new questions. And how usually people solve PYQs? Just by looking at the solution. Because when you solve a PYQ book, you know that there are solutions. So in the back of the mind, there is no pressure. But when you solve the test series, so in the back of the mind, you have the pressure that there are no solution available. Now I need to solve this question in a given time at that spot only. And this is what is going to happen in your final examination as well. So no disrespect to anyone who are bringing PYQ. I have full respect who are bringing this initiative, and it takes a lot of effort as well, right? But we are also bringing FIQ. They are bringing PYQ. So I did not think of bringing PYQ. So that PYQ you can solve from there. From here you can solve FIQ. FIQ means future year question, like most expected future year question. And here I am making a lot of conceptual questions. You can find that playlist that is available on our YouTube channel only, and you will find the questions are of very good level. So that will help you enhance your concept on a greater level. So this is how you can utilize your way. Like, don't run behind this coaching is best, that coaching is best, that teacher is best. No, you need to improve your own performance, right? If you are not satisfied with my teaching, or even if you are satisfied, still you are not able to score, that means you need to refer to some other resources. It could be any teacher, right? It could be anyone who is running any crash courses, any PYQ series if they are bringing, any FYQ series if they are bringing, any resource, whatever that is available on YouTube, that you need to utilize in a greater manner. Now don't feel like that, like let's just say you are completely comfortable with number system. Number system is a topic in digital electronics. Let's just say you are completely comfortable with number system. Now someone is bringing some number system lecture, and now you are wasting your time there. That should not happen, right? And secondly, like live classes are pretty good. It takes a lot of effort to bring live classes, but as of now, ignore taking live classes, right? Because you can see recorded lecture as well. Like once the teacher have taken live classes, then it will be recording will be available. No, because if you take the live classes, then certainly it takes more time. Like teacher will also be taking their time. He will also be resting somewhere, or like you cannot pace up the video. But when you take recorded classes, you can pace up the video. You can pause at your own time. So I feel that is more comfortable as of now. I feel that is comfortable at any hour of the day, at any year, at any time. But some people prefer taking live classes, and those who prefer taking live classes, now they can prefer taking recorded classes. This is what I feel. Because if you take recorded classes, then your a lot of time will be saved. And this is the time when you need to save your time and utilize this time in a greater manner. Right? So yeah, that's it from my side. I hope I was able to resolve your query. So the first one was how to know that what is the level of your preparation. So for that you need to see the score of rank 10 guy, and based on the score of rank 10 guy you can decide whether you are performing well or not. And secondly was, if you are not able to score marks in the test series, even if you have done PYQs and everything, still if you are not able to solve questions in the test series, that means you need to improve more. You need to refer to other resources. You need to improve your subjects more. You can refer to textbook as well. You can refer to any other lecture series. You can refer to NPTEL lectures as well. You can refer to anything, but utilize your resources, whatever that are available, and prepare in the best manner. And one more thing, like we are like only 15 days validity is there. There is a course named Road to IIT/ISC. So there is a course named Road to IIT/ISC that is available on our website. So we are giving all our GATE 2025 courses in just 299 rupees. So those who are lagging behind in some topics, they can revise it from there. So the course name is Road to IIT/ISC. So the course price is something else, that was 6,000, but you can apply the code FUSION, FUSION. So you will be able to avail it in 299 rupees. So if you want to avail it, then you can avail it in 299 rupees. You will be getting all the courses that we have taken. So you can check out the curriculum, and in that manner you can take the course and revise it. Like you can certainly, you cannot watch all the videos in 15 days, but certainly you can revise it. You can revise wherever you are lagging. And certainly a lot of content is there on our YouTube channel itself. So if you want to revise from there as well, and from there as well you can revise. And again, I'm making it clear, I'm not saying that you should not watch PYQs. Certainly you should watch PYQs, but solving only PYQs will not help you. This is what I wanted to tell, and no disrespect to any teacher who is bringing PYQs, because that takes a lot of effort, and I certainly appreciate that. Right? And also we are bringing FYQ as well. So those are very conceptual questions. So if you solve one FYQ question, then you will feel like that you are learning 6 to 10 new concepts. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. I hope you found this video helpful. Yeah, thank you.